Hey, it's Ryan with Upfit Supply. I want to show you these wheel well covers that we have from Legend installed in our RAM ProMaster. These are a plastic wheel well cover that are going to protect and cover over those wheel wells that protrude well into the cargo area in the van. As you know, if you're loading in cargo, equipment, tools, whatever it may be, those just become easy targets for denting and scratching and rust and all of that. And so these actually protect those as well as improve the aesthetic in the back of the van. These wheel well covers do have a layer of insulation on the inside of them. So there's a foil insulation and then a black insulation material. So it's going to help cut down on road noise as well as some temperature control as well. Now we have these installed with our stabilizer floor from Legend as well as our wall liners from Legend. So they are compatible with wall liners and a floor. They're compatible with all of the Legend floors as well as a lot of other floors out there on the market. Installation is super simple. They give you some plastic push-in clips that go into pre-existing holes in the van. So you're gonna get these installed in about 5 minutes. Now, if you're looking for these wheel well covers or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan and have a good one.